Okay, the next process, excuse me, this is native flower. Colle, mouse and the rock lichens. A root the name is cherche. For the blue color is long times for 1 month. First stara, kiemsakuchu, and cochinilla is fermentation in the underground for 1 month. For the fix the seeds, baby urines. The baby urines is the fix, no change in the color.
So that's why you keep Korankas on handling?
Yes, only the Koreanka or the different boys.
Baby urines of the llamas or the
No,
babies?
Yes.
Oh my God. And the baby urine fixes the blue color.
Uh-huh.
It takes 1 month
Uh-huh.
to make it blue. What did they start with? That leaf?
Uh-huh. This is the whole show, man.
Fantastico. It's so natural.
Okay, the next process, now I explain the weaving demonstrations. In the textile, I tell them the flora and fauna. I tell them of the rivers, the spiritual mountains, the cochas, the lake, the lagoons. All is telling and the weaving textile. The ladies, the different indigenous community with me, I don't need nothing, the magazine, paper, pencil, all having the main 35 design. In this design, the name is Loraipo. Loraipo is identified in this indigenous community. The cerros are represented the puma's eyes, in Quechua is Pumajñawi. The zigzag are represented the spiritual mountains with the apples. In the ace in the middle are represented the beginning and end of the years. The little rombos are represented the two lakes, the cochas, the Andean duality. For example, now the ladies are make similar of this for the table runners. Have many elements, the instruments. We call the rookies. Rookies is the llama bones or something's condor bones. Is for the tops and the weaving textile. But the textile is much strong and much resistant, no? For example, the blanket or the leaflets or the ponches are resistant at the reeds is a waterproof. Thank you so much for your attention. Thank you for your visit, please. The ladies is come the different indigenous community have a small staff. You're buying something 1 pieces or 2 pieces, please. They your heart is for supporting this indigenous cooperative. Maybe if you don't interested, please the looking is free.
Okay.
Take a picture.
I take a picture of you there. If you want.
Okay, you stay in the